Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to our calendar that got cut short this morning. So, we already went through the months of the year, and we said today was December 7th, right here, and the next in our pattern was a tree. We have tree, Santa, elf. Tree, Santa, elf, tree. So that means tomorrow will be what? Santa. Alright, boys and girls. So today we said was Monday, yesterday was Sunday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. Alright, boys and girls, when I point to the sentence, read it with me. We're going to do it 2 times. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Alright, boys and girls, we got to fill our 10 frame today and trade it out for a tens tower. So when I slide, you push 10 and count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Read the sentence with me. We have been in school for 60 days. Alright, boys and girls, our pattern was red, red, green, green. So we have red, and today is red for 60 days. Let's count on our hundreds chart. You push 10 when I point to the number. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And we have no ones to count today. We also have filled our 10 frame. So let's count. You push 10 when I point to the number. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So for tomorrow, we will have to take out another 10 frame. Ready for our spelling words practice? We're going to clap the word and then read the sentence. Our spelling word is. Ready? Is. The car is red. Read it with me. The car is red. Now you read it by yourself. Very good. Next word. It. Is it lunch yet? Read it with me. Is it lunch yet? Now by yourself. Is it, by yourself. I'm sorry, Mrs. G messed up. Go ahead. Nice job, boys and girls. Next one. 1. Ready? Clap it. 1. I have 1 dog. Read it with me. I have 1 dog. Now by yourself. Nice job, boys and girls. Next one. Big. The tree is big. Read it with me. The tree is big. Now by yourself. Nice job. Last one. Run. Clap it. Run. I can run fast. Read it with me. I can run fast. Now by yourself. Nice job, boys and girls. Oh, I was just kidding. There was one more word that Mrs. G forgot. Not. Ready? Clap it. Not. do not like spiders. Read it with me. I do not like spiders. Now by yourself. Nice job, boys and girls. We are starting our vowel practice for calendar this week. Our vowels are our letters in the alphabet. A, E, I, O, U. Now remember, we use our hand when we use a motion to remember something. It helps us remember it better. So remember, we touch each of our fingers because there's 5 vowels. So a handful of vowels, and we touch each finger to our chin to remember A, E, I, O, U. All right, ready, boys and girls? What does A say, class? A says A and A. One more time. A says A and A, like acorn and apple. What does E say, class? E says E and A. E says E and A, like eagle and egg. What does I say, class? I says I and I. I says I and I. I like ice cream. I like igloo. What does O say, class? O says O and ah. O says O and ah. O like orange. Ah like octopus. What does U say, class? U says you and U says you and like unicorn and umbrella. All right, boys and girls, nice job for today. We are going to practice and try this again tomorrow. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.